Today's event is all based around Food4Kids. Food4Kids is a non-for-profit organization. It feeds kids all around Halton, and 100% of the proceeds of today's event will go directly to Food4Kids. We have about 103 golfers out on the course today. We have about 13 Special Olympic athletes, which I'm all about inclusion, and including everyone is very important to me.
No complications, nothing excess.
I love playing golf. I did better with iron than set the drivers.
Golf is good. Enjoying golf with a couple of my friends and enjoying the weather in Oakville. It is Oakville, isn't it? Milton. In Milton. Sorry.
Take the rest of my life off, my life off, my life off.
So Mercedes-Benz Oakville has sponsored some of the Special Olympians today. We're thrilled to be a part of their journey as well, and we hope they're having a great day.
Hi, my name's Dania Thurman and I'm the Executive Director of Food4Kids Halton. I'm super excited to be here today representing Food4Kids, and we're very grateful for this charity event. This year we're feeding over 900 children, so over 500 families. The money, the proceeds from this wonderful golf tournament are going to go directly to our summer program, so we can continue to ensure that our kids are fed and healthy all summer long.